So guys, for this week's tutorial, I'm going to be trying the Paper Mache Cement Papercrete again. And this time I'm going to try and create a design on the outside of the Papercrete. So if you want to see how I create this week's tutorial, keep on watching. Now, before we start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you hit that notification bell, and you give the video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment down in the description box. If you wanted to be one of the first to view my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. If you wanted to tag me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description for all the additional information. Now that you know how to make the paper mache cement Papercrete planter pots with a design, you can check out this tutorial next. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.